Welcome back to Miss Kitty's World 312. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transform ordinary waste materials and trash into a luxurious, stunning engagement ring tray plate. This is a complete step-by-step tutorial that is super budget-friendly and perfect for wedding and engagement ceremonies. With just a few simple craft supplies like an old cardboard box, some fabric, hot glue, and beautiful decorative flowers, you can create a masterpiece that looks incredibly expensive. Materials used in this video: empty cardboard box shoebox, colorful fabric green and orange, wooden sticks, bamboo dowels, hot glue gun, white decorative roses and handmade woolen swans, golden lace fringe. If you loved this trash to treasure DIY, please give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Miss Kitty's World 312 for more creative DIY crafts, gift wrapping ideas, and crochet tutorials.